how to transfer assets from Bitget to Binance. Now, assets, it could be any crypto that you have found on your account. It could be like USDT, Bitcoin, TON, XRP, or any token that you have found on it. Now, first of all, what you need to do, make sure to log into your account in Bitget and head over to your wallet and click on withdraw. Now, here in the select coin, select your coin that I have found on, for example, USDT or Ethereum or BGB. Now, select your coin, and after that, here click on chain. Now after that, select the network as the BIP20 because it will cost you zero fee. And after that, to get the withdrawal address of that token that you want to transfer, go to your Binance account and now head over to your wallet. Now click on spot. And after that, click on deposit and click on deposit crypto. Now here, select your token. In this case, it will be USDT. And now select the network as the BIP20 as you selected on the Bitget before. And after that, your withdrawal address is ready to go. And now just copy it. Now go back to your Bitget and paste it here in the withdrawal address box. After that, click on next. And now set the amount that you want to transfer like that. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds or a few minutes, you will be able to transfer the assets on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer assets from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.